Welcome to the Yes or No English podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking. Practice daily and grow your confidence in English. Hi everyone! Today we're practicing at the coffee shop sentences. Ready? Let's go! I walk to the coffee shop. I walk to the coffee shop. I see the coffee shop sign. I see the coffee shop sign. I open the glass door. I open the glass door. I smell fresh coffee inside. I smell fresh coffee inside. I stand in a small line. I stand in a small line. I look at the menu board. I look at the menu board. I see hot coffee and cold coffee. I see hot coffee and cold coffee. I also see many cakes. I also see many cakes. I decide to order a cold coffee. I decide to order a cold coffee. I also want a chocolate muffin. I also want a chocolate muffin. The cashier asks for my order. The cashier asks for my order. I tell her what I want. I tell her what I want. She tells me the total price. She tells me the total price. I give money to the cashier. I give money to the cashier. She gives me my change back. She gives me my change back. I wait near the pickup counter. I wait near the pickup counter. A worker calls my name. A worker calls my name. I take my cold coffee cup. I take my cold coffee cup. I also take my muffin plate. I also take my muffin plate. I find a small table near the window. I find a small table near the window. I sit down on a wooden chair. I sit down on a wooden chair. I put my things on the table. I put my things on the table. I take a sip of cold coffee. I take a sip of cold coffee. The coffee is very tasty. The coffee is very tasty. I take a bite of the muffin. I take a bite of the muffin. The muffin is soft and sweet. The muffin is soft and sweet. I relax and look outside. I relax and look outside. I finish my coffee and muffin. I finish my coffee and muffin. I throw my cup in the trash. I throw my cup in the trash. I walk out of the coffee shop. I walk out of the coffee shop. Wonderful! You just practiced 25 at the coffee shop sentences. Subscribe for a new video every day. See you next time.